The CEO of Shiba Inu has sparked a stir with his latest statement and subtle hint. In this video, we'll talk about the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision and how it affected the value of Shiba Inu coin. There has completed even more progress towards the shore buried in launch, but I also want to highlight several of the recent activities of Satoshi. And now Shiba Inu is testing new highs on the upside. The activities of Bitcoin and Ethereum are identical. The Federal Reserve's interest rate decision is to blame for this. The uptick in prices since the Fed announcement should be seen as a fundamental change in the market. And, gentlemen, I'm not trying to overstate things, but if we keep heading in this direction, it may last. Yes, let's talk about it. And if that piques your attention, by all means, let's get going. Hello, and thank you for tuning into our broadcast. Here we discuss the most recent developments. There's a strong connection between Shiba Inu and the Bitcoin industry. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to everybody who is checking out one of our videos for the first time today. If you want to be sure you never miss another video, subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell. There will soon be an announcement made that this channel is giving away 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. You need just subscribe to the channel in this fashion to be eligible to take part. Use the Shiba Inu hashtag for your videos and comments. On February 15th, the winner will be announced. The value of Shibas has increased by 100% from their all-time lows, providing significant upside potential compared to the Dash coin. Shiba Inu might see a 40% price increase relative to Dogecoin, according to technical analysis of Shiba prices as Pure Barium enters the picture. Since the announcement of Herbarium on January 16, a Shiba Inu-backed Layer 2 blockchain built on the Ethereum mainnet, investors have been on a buying binge. There have been rumors that Herbarium would be released on February 14, which has contributed to a price increase, as reported by Cointelegraph. Elon Musk suspending a Dash currency tipping bot for breaking Twitter rules brings Dash Coin's foundations into disrepute. While Shiba Inu may have an advantage over Dash currency this month, both are losing ground against the dollar. In the next days, for instance, Dogecoin's price versus the dollar, which it currently depicts as growing, may have a minor correction. Bearish reversal patterns like the one depicted by rising wages occur when the price moves up between two upward trend lines that converge. When the price drops below the wedge's lower trend line and drops as far as it can go, the pattern ends. If we apply this hypothetical situation to Dash Coin's daily price chart, we see that its downside objective is at 0.85, or 10% from the current price. Now that the Federal Reserve has decided to raise interest rates by 25 basis points, however, the outlook is highly bright. Due to the fact that this matches market anticipations, it is seen favorably. In fact, it's one of the smallest increases in rates that's possible. Positively optimistic. The agency cites a number of optimistic indicators, suggesting that there would be no more than 1 or 2 interest rate hikes this year. Naturally, this can change, but even if they only raise rates by a quarter point or so more, it could signal that the Fed is finally at a level where they feel comfortable and sustainable in the present economy. Moreover, Jerome Powell has shown optimism by saying that the economy will experience a soft landing and that there will be relatively few layoffs. Although it's possible that interest rates won't go down until the end of the year, their prolonged level of 5% or 5.25 likely won't derail the recent upswings in Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and Ethereum, not to mention the stock market. The Fed's optimism in the economy has been bolstered by this highly encouraging sign. You're seeing bullish signal after bullish signal as technical levels of resistance are being broken. We have witnessed multiple bullish signals, but that is by no means a guarantee that the trend will continue. Yet if this is the case, where is the declining trend? You get what I'm saying, right? By that time, we can recognize a mental bearish blocker. We can't go out and buy stocks now because, well, I still think things are horrible. If you can adapt to the market, though prospects are bright. The Shiba Inu coin is now trading at a premium of roughly 1,500 points per coin. But I can tell you now that you'll want to cut pricing when you see it at 1,800 or even 2,500 points per coin and people start getting enthusiastic again. I employ a cautious estimate since I am aware that no one can predict the future value of Shiba Inu coins. You don't want to be taken off guard when he decides he needs even more proof, and you have to buy Shiba Inu coins at 3,500 points per coin. So I don't want to get too pleased about it. Right now, it seems like a good time to buy. Since we just made a bullish interest rate decision, the next bullish catalyst we may have would be that the announcement of the Siberian launch is the next possible one. I believe they are just waiting for momentum at this point, sitting on the launch. If so, they are likely waiting for a surge of optimism to drive prices higher. Now, since the beginning of 2023, the price of cryptocurrencies has shown remarkable behavior. It's all good now. The stock market has broken through a period of resistance, and investors are gradually returning to regular behavior and, eventually, the greedy stage. A bull market rally is inevitable as confidence begins to return and it begins to trickle down to the most wary investors. I have no idea if the economy can handle that. There will be the start of a bull market rally, nevertheless. So, it makes me happy. But let's examine some of Satoshi's latest updates and see what they portend for Shibuya's debut. Truth, clarity, and honesty, even if it's a marketing gimmick, tend to irritate the man. It's much like when you were in first grade and you were chasing a girl around the playground. In the sense of, what the heck is happening? Still, we have to laugh it off. To prepare for the launch of the site, Satoshi tweeted a link to a test version of the site's Twitter algorithm. The site was purportedly related to the Shubham documents, but there were no Shorbarium documents. Herbarium. But the connection has been disabled, and you can no longer access this. We know it existed since several people captured screenshots of it. But if Satoshi is correct, and it understands the Twitter algorithm, what algorithm would you prefer? Truthfully, I have my doubts that you can crack it. I'm also not sure if there's a specific algorithm for directing people from Twitter to a website that contains one of your Barium documents. There seems to be some sort of goal behind this innovation or release, but I can't quite put my finger on it. Barium? The Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team, however, remains crypto-centric. Let's put it this way, they're crypto fans and for good reason. It pairs up beautifully with digital currency. They are currently engaging in their favorite pastime, being deliberately obtuse. It's possible that they'll keep up the crypto and try to get us to attack Siberia. Everything points to an attempt, at least. I am holding out for the official word that Herbarium's beta release is available. I'm curious to hear your opinions on Shiba Inu currency. Post your thoughts in the section below. Keep in mind that the value of Bitcoin is highly volatile and may have changed significantly by the time you watch this video. Here we are, and then this video has reached its conclusion. Hit that like button and enter your email address to subscribe if you did. I was having a lot of trouble with YouTube's recommendations, and this has been a huge help. Don't forget to tell as many people as you can about this video. Spread this information far and wide. If you're serious about crypto, you shouldn't miss a single piece of our coverage. The latest community-wide news will be discussed tomorrow, so I'll see you then.